Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off the audio on the Clash Royale application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a 5 minutes when the application is uploading. Click to the three lines at the upper right corner of the screen and go to the settings icon. Here you can find the first option, the audio, and click that, and you can turn off the music, the sound effects, and you can set the volume. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.